here at my second hay fields. I just consider this one field, even though it's actually 4 little separate fields at this location. This is the new field that I got this year, and yeah, just stuff didn't work out to where we could get it cut on our schedule. So this is actually the first cut, and it's September. So this field, I knew it was going to be, you know, a year just getting it back into shape, you know, to where next year could be a better hay season. But I was hoping to get 2 cuts, just with the custom guys schedule and the weather. It's just not allowed for that, unfortunately. Fortunately though, this cut is going to be really good, like volume wise. I'm not sure, I'm pretty positive it's not going to be anything for quality either, but I'm hoping that they re-rent this to me. I'm not even sure that they are, but I hope they do, because next year this could be a really good hay field. Raking with my 4630 today. Yes, overkill for a 8-wheel rake, but his other tractor is not available. My smaller tractor's got a tire issue that I got to fix. So we had to run with the 4630. No problem at all. This is the first time I've ever raked hay with this tractor. So there's some Bermuda out here, but the majority of this is Bahia and a little bit of broom sedge. Not gonna wouldn't make somebody feeding a horse very happy, but if you're just feeding cattle, it's basically gonna be filler. I feed protein anyway, so it'll be all right. But I'll update you here in a little while. He is using the brand new Kubota baler. Not sure of the number yet, but it is brand new. It is baled all of 40 bales before he came to this field. So I'll try to get some footage back here in a little bit. Run out of daylight. All right, and just gonna wrap this video up now. The field made 141 bales, so pretty good.
You know, it was a delayed first cutting, so the quality's obviously not going to be there, but the quantity definitely was. And I can tell you, I'm pretty happy with these bales. I think they're actually a little bit bigger than the other ones, but they are rock solid. Very nice and tight bales. I mean, I can't get my hands in there for sure, especially not right there. I mean, this, you can hear it thump back. So they're nice. I'm gonna probably end up bringing back about 50 here to the farm. I'm gonna keep the rest of them at the field and try to sell them from the field. And if they don't sell, I'm gonna bring them back here as the winter goes by. But I've already fed a couple of them to the cows, and they love them. Not a lot of waste at all, so that's good. But yep, just wanted to do a video on that. Quite a bit of hay this year, so pretty cool.